Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, for those of you who are new to our channel, welcome first. And just to give you a thumbs up, what we do is we try to do experience different thing with acrylic paint, especially with dirty pouring or fluid acrylic. So we try to do each and every time something quite different or a bit different. So I hope you enjoy, guys, and like always, please subscribe and leave a like because it's always appreciated and it keeps us going on. So guys, to get back at our painting today, we're gonna revisit for the third time the Siqueiros technique, which is, if you remember, the accidental technique, the name that he did give this technique, because it was discovered by Siqueiros in the 1930s, and the thing he discovered, it was a regular painting. He painted mostly fresque and historical painting. He was a great painter, but for a reason that I'm not sure, he tried to put some layers of acrylic over one each other, and the result was incredible. As you might see, I'm showing one that we did before a few days ago, a few weeks ago, I should say. So anyway, he discovered it. He was questioning himself about why this happened with the interaction of the different colors. So he had some people to look into it and give him the scientific reason why, which he did, and they gave him the reason, and it's simple. Well, for us it's simple now because we know that the density of each colors is different, so it happens to play with each other differently. So what we're gonna do this time, because we did this accidental technique, should I say, but we did it fluidly, meaning that we did put black and then we put others color over it, like Siqueiros did. But this time we're gonna take the same technique. It's simple. It's only taking some acrylic and water and dilute it that way, without any other medium. We don't put anything else. And as you saw, we don't have to. But this time what we're gonna do a flip cup. So I don't know how it's going to react, and I'm going to try to put some more bright colors in it because I have a tendency to go black on my colors. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Let's go at it. Well guys, again, the simple method of Siqueiros does the job. Did you see that? That's incredible. Now it's changing very fast. There's a lot of cells appearing everywhere, but that's okay. But just after I did the flip cup, if you notice, it looks like the sky in the background and a road leading to it. And at the end of the road, it seems like a letter M, like for Mike. So why not? So again, guys, I think we just prove again that sometimes the simplest way is the way to go. How many times did we use silicone, white glue, all kind of products? And listen, I think that yes, we did a lot of great painting with those medium like silicone and everything, but again, it's hard to come as close as this one, and we didn't put nothing in our acrylic except for water. So I think once again we'll just prove that sometimes going the simple way is the way to go. Well, I don't know for now because you see it once it's finished, but I'm sure it's gonna look great. Guys, on that note, I hope like always you enjoy. I hope you're gonna come back, and I hope also that you're gonna try it, because as you saw, it's very fast to do, simple, and the result is great. So on that note, guys, hope like always you're gonna subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.